Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about pets and animals, a warm and personal topic that comes up frequently in everyday conversation. Pets are incredibly popular in English-speaking countries, particularly in the UK. The most common pets are dogs and cats, but people also keep rabbits, guinea pigs, hamsters, fish, birds, and even reptiles like snakes and lizards. When someone has a dog, you might ask, what breed is she? Breed means the specific type, like Labrador, Border Collie, or French Bulldog. Or, how old is he? Or, does he get on with other dogs? Get on with means to have a good relationship with. Owning a pet comes with real responsibilities. Dogs need regular walks at least twice a day for most breeds. Cats need feeding, grooming, and regular vet checkups. All pets benefit from love, attention, and a stable environment. You might say, she's very high maintenance, but completely worth it. Veterinary care is an important part of pet ownership. Vaccinations protect animals against serious diseases. Neutering, removing the ability to reproduce, is recommended by most vets to prevent overpopulation and health issues. And microchipping, implanting a tiny chip under the skin with your contact details, is legally required for dogs in the UK. Rescue animals are pets that have come from difficult backgrounds, perhaps abandoned or from overcrowded shelters. Many people feel passionately about rescue adoption. You might say, we got him from a rescue center, it took time and patience, but he's absolutely transformed. Pet insurance is also worth mentioning. Vet bills can be very high, and insurance covers unexpected treatment costs. You might say, I'm so glad we got insurance, the emergency surgery would have cost thousands otherwise. Today, we covered types of pets, care responsibilities, veterinary vocabulary, and rescue adoption. Pets enrich our lives, and they're great conversation. See you next time.